What's up, guys? Feed you information here. 4-minute analysis. I'm invested. Take-Two Interactive. Here we go. Ratios. Value investor. You have the price to earnings of 55.45, a forward PE of 19.63. So a high PE. However, the forward next year will be 19.63, a lot better. And the average is in the 20s right now, so it's below the average if you're looking at the long-term horizon. Price to book ratio of 5.95 or 6. You could average it up. Average is under a 5, so that is a little bit high, as is the price to sales ratio. 6.39, average is under 5. However, the price to sales and price to book ratio, you can kind of judge by the forward PE if you were to do so, and I didn't do that prior, so my bad, but it should come out to lower than the 5s that you'd want on the average, so that's pretty good. Debt over equity, you have 0. That's really good. Only a few companies that can also do this is Nintendo and Facebook. They have no debt. And just you want to see that the average is a 0.5, so basically half of the total equity, but it has 0. It's not even half of the equity, it's none. It's just they are debt free. That's how you want it to be. Revenue, percentage growth, and market cap. So for the growth investor, you have revenue of 1.8 billion, negative 5.1% year-over-year growth. So not good when you're looking at it like that, but that's why you don't just look at that, because they have other aspects about this company that are doing really well. The market cap of 11.8 billion. Going into the quarter 3 earnings, you have forecasted quarter 4 EPS estimate of 1.4 to 1.45 billion. So they're saying their next quarter earnings, they're going to be posting this and are beating the analyst estimate of 1.36 billion. So that's really good to note that they're raising their estimates. Also this quarter, so this quarter earnings, they reported that their consumer spending revenue was up 12% and it accounted for 49% of their total revenue. So in-game spending like on NBA 2K, WWE 2K, perhaps Grand Theft Auto Online. There were numerous other games that they did mention, but those are the big ones. And that just goes to show you that like the age of just, hey, I'm going to buy stuff on the PlayStation or on the Xbox rather than going out and physically doing so has come to the world. And that's good to see because companies like this can thrive from it. The digitally delivered revenue, this is digitally delivered, not physically, was up 18% and accounted for 73% of total revenue. Now, some further information, 17 million copies sold of Red Dead Redemption 2. That's over $1 billion in sales, and that was just in the first 8 days, guys. Now, that's going to account for the quarter 4 EPS jump to 1.4 to 1.45 because the sales were so good. Who knows where they're at now, but just in the first 8 days, they were over $1 billion. The next GTA is coming in a few years. So Grand Theft Auto, the biggest selling game in terms of revenue at this point, it's going to have its next game come out, and it's going to be even bigger and better than the last. There'll always be the GTA error that will come each and every GTA. It's just one of those games. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then throw me a like. Make sure to subscribe, and there'll be tons more videos on the way. Feed you information, out.